Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of shoes which will be Ugg Fluff, Ugg Fluff, and I've got them on Victoria's Secret site, and I will show you how they look and a little bit about the price. So normally they go for $100 or $110, I don't remember, but I got them on sale, double sale actually, because they were first lowered the price to 60 something and then it was additional 25% off, so I got that 25% off, and I also had coupon code from Victoria's Secret rewards, so I got them cheaper. So I've got this is second video, so I've got in size US 10, and here they are. Look guys, here is the sticker. So they are really cute. I've got them on Victoria's Secret site for cheaper, and let's open them. So they looks like this when they come inside. They are in the art paper, and then let's remove them. I don't know what the color is, but it doesn't says here. WHM color. So they looks like this. They come with this plastic inserts to keep them in good shape, like here. Here I would do the posing for the thumbnail. Okay, so they are really cute. I remove this plastic. So here they are made from lambskin, and they are really very nice. This is very fluffy and natural because it's made from the lambskin. They have this strap here to keep foot in place, and this will probably, when you walk in them, it will probably be more flat, I think, but now it's nice and fluffy. As you can see, these ones are like rainbow color because we have few colors. This one is creamy, and here violet, pink, like neon pink. This is more like less pink, I mean more natural, or rose pink, I don't know. This is more like yellow, neon yellow, and I like that combination because actually you can wear them with many colors. With your clothes you can wear like violets, pinks, more natural, or the yellows, or white, or beige, anything. So I really like them. Here we have also Ugg tag, like here inside and here on the bottom. See? And I love how they nice and fluffy. The only downside, I think, that I will also try them on, is that they are flat. I mean, they are like not that flexible. Look, they don't bend when you try to bend them. I thought they would be more flexible, and that way you can be more comfortable, but they seems to be not that. When it comes to inside of the sole, it seems to be like very stiff and hard. see it's stiff, so doesn't bend much, only slightly. So that might be a little bit downside. And other people in some videos that I watched were mentioning that after some time wearing them, they were feeling that they're not super comfortable. That's why I wouldn't pay full price, just on sale is more reasonable. So yeah, that's very nice slippers, but if you are really wanting them so bad, I recommend buying them on the sale. And I don't know if they can be worn outside, because of course they could, but this part is like touching ground almost, so they would get dirty here, and then how you clean it, and here I bet it would be dirty. So I think I will wear them inside, especially when cool season will come, fall, winter, maybe spring. Summer not, because in summer we have very hot, humid weather, so I doubt it would be nice to wear them unless you have air conditioning all the time. So yeah, I love this color. Wow, they are so cute. So I will try them on and you will be able to look how they look on me. So yeah, so here are the, oh yeah, fluffy, yeah, in this rainbow combination color. It looks like this. The strap looks more comfortable. Oh, I see deer. I show you deer. And walking by. Only one though. Fluff, yeah. Slides looks like this. They are really nice. Look guys, they are rainbow color combination. See? And they are really nice. They seems comfortable. They might be half size too big, but they don't make full sizes, that's why I got this ones. Very cute. See? And from the top they looks like this. It looks really nice. They can be even as an outside sandals, I think, because you can wear them like that when it's cooler, not in hot weather, because I don't know if they're good in hot weather, but in cooler weather they could be like this, or even fall, spring, or winter, when maybe in socks, I don't know. So yeah, very nice. And also check out my other videos that I uploaded on my channel of unboxing, also the same kind of shoes but different colors. So yeah, that's all what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Hit notification button to be notified when I upload. And see you in the next one. Bye.